My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous segment, we have discussed about the series of adjectives, unit 1. And in this segment, we are going to discuss about the unit 2 in connection with the adjectives. Yes, as we have discussed earlier that adjective is a content word. It is a decorative or ornamental word which is used to decorate or ornament our spoken and written English. The more we know about adjectives, the more we can decorate our noun phrases and express at the time of writing and speaking confidently, beautifully. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about descriptive or qualitative adjective, numeral adjective, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, quantitative adjectives. Yes, and in this segment we are going to describe about 7 other adjectives which are very essential for our spoken and written English. How? Let's see. Proper adjectives. Yes, what do you mean by proper adjectives? You see here, these adjectives are derived from proper nouns. That's why proper adjectives. Yes, proper nouns can be used as adjectives. How? Listen, proper nouns and they begin with the capital letter. Yes, whenever we convert proper nouns into adjectives, definitely as proper noun begins with the capital letter, proper adjectives also begin with the capital letter. How? Let's see here examples. Remember, Indian culture. You see, this is adjective and it comes from India, the country, and that's why Indian, I capital, Indian culture. Here, culture, head noun. Italian food, yes, adjective. Italy, it comes from Italy. Italian food is here, head noun. Okay. Now, Shakespearean drama, yes. Here, adjective. This comes from Shakespeare. Yes, William Shakespeare. Shakespearean drama. Drama, head noun. Gandhian philosophy. You see, it comes from Gandhi, the father of our nation, and therefore here adjective, Gandhian philosophy, head noun. Yes, a number of this type of phrases we can form with the help of proper adjectives. At the time of converting the proper noun into adjectives, we should remember that that adjective should begin with a capital letter. Okay. The other idea, that is distributive adjectives. These adjectives refer to individual members of a group. This is interesting. Here, each, every, either, neither. These 4 are examples of distributive adjectives. Okay, so it should be carefully remembered. Okay, see here how in examples, each teacher, it means here we have a number of teachers, but each teacher means any individual teacher. Okay, and therefore each is the adjective here and teacher is the head noun. Okay, every month, here every adjective, month is the head noun. Another, neither side, here neither suit adjective and side is the head noun, neither side. Yes, and either way, either adjective and way is the head noun. So remember here, in this way we can use distributive adjectives at the time of formation of noun phrases. Okay, yes, this is therefore very carefully remembered. We have given these ideas in a pronoun series and also how they are pronounced and they are also used as adjectives. Okay, demonstrative adjectives. Yes, This is another type of adjective, demonstrative adjectives. As we know, there are 4 demonstrative adjectives. Yes, these adjectives are used to demonstrate, or point out to specific nouns. Yes, point out to specific nouns. Yes, for nearer, this and these, for distant, that and those are used. As you know, yes, remember this, that, this, that, these, those are examples of demonstrative adjectives, because these adjectives help us in pointing out to or in exhibiting or demonstrating any noun. Yes, how? See in examples. Yes, here we find this building here, this building which is very nearer to us. This building, look at this building, okay? Yes, this building belongs to me. This building, yes, here. Those days, it means distant days. Those days, in those days, land was free, okay? And here we find this adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. Here those adjective, and those qualifies days, and this qualifies building. And yes, this is the way how we can use this, that, this, those to point out to anything, person, place, etc. Okay, next. Now come to the point 9. Articles. Articles are also used as adjectives, because they are treated adjectives as they modify nouns by making them general or specific. Yes, generally a or an used in general sense, and the used to indicate anything in a specific, I mean definite manner. That's why we have 2 types of articles. We have already discussed in the article series, okay? And here we find then specific and general. Yes, a white horse. Any white horse, general sense, but the white horse means the definite white horse. This is the difference in between a and the. A and therefore are called indefinite article, which are used to indicate anything in general, but these used to indicate anything in special or definite or particular manner. Okay, now see how. Yes, here we find in examples a fine morning. Here morning is the head noun and fine is the adjective, but here a is another adjective, that is article, adjective. It plays the role of adjective because it indicates any morning in general manner. That is what we call indefinite manner. A fine morning. Yes, it means any fine morning. Okay. Now come an interesting story. Here story head noun. This is a noun phrase. Story head noun. Interesting adjective, and an also article also plays the role of adjective. Yes, here we find an interesting story. Both an interesting qualify story. An interesting story. Any interesting story. Okay, but here the film. Yes, film is the head noun and the is the article, but here adjective and qualifies film in a definite, particular, yes, or specific manner. Specific film. Have you seen the film? The film means here a particular film on which the speaker is focusing. Yes. Compound adjectives. These are formed from 2 or more words. Yes, it is very interesting. Whenever we join 2 or more words and form an adjective, it is called compound adjective. This is interesting. Remember, often joined by a hyphen. Naturally, with the help of hyphen, we join. For example, well-known actress. Yes, here we find actress is the head noun. Yes, and well-known. The two words are combined together. Here we find compound adjectives. Yes, this adjective is called compound adjective because both the words, yes, joined by hyphen and qualify. Yes, well-known actress. Yes, a famous or eminent actress or popular actress. Okay. Now here 5-hour journey. 5-hour journey. Here journey is the head noun and 5 hour, not 5 hours. 5 hour. Yes. Here we have two words, 5 and hour, and both compound adjectives. Compound adjective, okay, and qualifies journey. These are the examples of compound adjectives which are used to qualify the head noun. Yes, another, that is participle adjectives. This is very interesting factor. Yes, as you know, participles are of two types. One is the present participle, another is the past participle. Yes. And whenever we use these participles to qualify the head noun in a noun phrase, they are called participle adjectives. Okay, how? See, whenever present participle and past participle verb forms are used as adjectives, they are called participle adjectives. Okay, yes. Now see how. Any examples? Broken doll. Yes, break, broke, broken. Past participle. It means here we find adjective, and this is a past participle adjective qualifying the head noun, that is doll, broken doll. It means the doll which has been broken, broken doll. Okay, now come developed nation. Here another adjective, that is past participle adjective, developed, 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 developed. But here developed is not past participle verb form. It has been converted into past participle, that is, it is adjective, participle adjective. Then developed nation. Naturally, America is a developed nation. And exciting match. It was an exciting match. Here, exciting adjective. Head noun. Here, exciting adjective. Match head noun. Running stream. Here, running is the adjective. Stream is the head noun. It means the stream which is running. Yes, running stream. Okay. These are the very interesting ways how we can decorate the noun phrases at the time of and use at the time of writing and speaking very beautifully. Okay. Finally, come to the last point, that is coordinate adjective. You see, coordinate adjectives when two or more adjectives modify the same noun separated by a comma, naturally a comma or and. Yes, these are called coordinate adjectives. Remember, let's see in examples. A bright sunny day. Here we find day is the head noun. Yes, and here we have two adjectives, bright adjective and sunny adjective, and a comma is here. We find comma. Therefore, a bright sunny day. It means the day was bright as well as sunny. Okay. Another, a black and white photograph. Naturally, black adjective, white adjective, photograph head noun, and is the coordinator or that is linker. Yes, and therefore here we find coordinate adjective. With this, I conclude this segment. My dear students, hope you must have enjoyed this class. This is really very interesting and important because without adjectives, we cannot decorate or ornament our spoken and written English. Therefore, go through all these 12 adjectives categorically and understand their definitions and examples and the way I explained. Go through the video again and again. Try to take down some important ideas. Subscribe my channel. Also share this video to your nearer and dearer. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.